It's Vixen.
YABABETH started out as a simple idea, an energetic coach who actually showed the work, not just the highlight reel, and then turned that idea into an online empire that mixes sweat, sass, and serious results. She currently lists herself as a Miami fitness coach and promotes structured programs and meal plans from the link in her bio, which is the hub for her YAFit body coaching and challenges that regularly invite followers to join a 6-week transformation. Her Instagram has ballooned to about 1 million followers, and she's cultivated a parallel TikTok presence with hundreds of thousands of followers and millions of likes platforms she uses to post short, punchy workout clips, full body routines, and candid motivation. A typical feed post might be a sweaty glue building set, a quick meal prep reel, or a caption that reads like a pep talk. Those posts get thousands of likes and dozens, sometimes hundreds of comments where followers share progress updates or ask for tips. What makes YABABETH feel real is that she doesn't pretend transformation is magic. Her built not bought messaging comes through in older posts where she documents months of consistent training rather than a single quick fix. She openly talks about the grind reps, nutrition, consistency, and she often posts the exact drills fans can replicate at home. That honest approach helped the YAFit Body Challenge trend among her followers. People sign up through her bio link for guided plans, and she uses Reels and TikToks to show the workouts in action. Her content mix is smart. High-impact workout snippets that teach hip thrusts, resistance band progressions, lower body circuits, plus lifestyle clips that humanize her brand. Coffee, travel, behind the scenes. The result is that followers don't just admire her. They attempt her programs and post their own progress. She amplifies that community vibe by calling out success stories in her stories and encouraging the comment-ready energy in challenge posts that invite central participation. Business-wise, YABABETH monetizes through direct program sales, a link in bio platform that funnels signups and cross-platform sponsorships. That's a modern creator playbook. Create addictive free clips that drive trust, then convert engaged fans into paying clients who want the full coaching experience. She's also strategically present on Facebook and Pinterest, which helps her reach audiences looking for workouts and inspiration beyond Instagram and TikTok. There are also small but telling elements that round out her appeal. She posts frequent progress reels that show real timelines, not overnight miracles, uses approachable language that feels like a friend texting you a workout, and shows the work in everyday settings, gym floors, living rooms, even kitchen counters for meal prep. The tone is motivational, not preachy, and that's crucial. Followers feel invited, not lectured. Of course, being public about fitness invites commentary, both cheering and critique. YABABETH has handled that the way strong coaches do, by leaning into education and transparency. When online critics push fitness myths, she responds with demos and real-time form corrections in her videos. When fans celebrate wins, she celebrates back, reposting user progress and replying in comments to foster a tight community feeling. These little interactions are why followers often say her content is motivating and doable rather than intimidating. Looking ahead, there's obvious room to grow. She could expand the YAFit Body brand into short-form course bundles, exclusive coaching tiers, or even a branded apparel drop for training gear. Given how her posts already convert to program signups, an expanded funnel with downloadable meal plans, video libraries, and live group coaching would be a natural next step. The infrastructure is already there: engaged followers, a working sign-up funnel, and a proven content strategy that drives trust. At the end of the day, YABABETH's creator story is classic but valuable. She found a niche, realistic female fitness, created high-value micro-content that teaches, then used that trust to build a business that helps people. For followers who want structure, not slogans, she's become a go-to coach. For creators who want a playbook, she's a reminder that authenticity and action are still the best growth hacks. If you scroll through her feed, you'll see the formula in motion. Sweat, smiles, and transformation not just for her, but for the people she trains.